I'm going to show you exactly how to open an existing Canva project inside your current project with a simple step-by-step method that keeps your workflow organized and avoids losing any work, even if you've never done this before. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. First, head over to your Canva account and on the left-hand panel, click on Create. Then choose any canvas size that matches your current project. Once your blank canvas loads, move your cursor to the left-hand panel and you'll see an icon that looks like a portfolio or folder labeled Projects. Click on it and Canva will instantly show you all your recent projects and everything you've worked on in the past. To locate the project you want to open in your current project, you can use the different sorting options in the upper right section, which lets you filter your designs, folders, images, videos, and other files. You can also click the drop-down to easily search for a project based on ownership, whether it was created by you or shared with you. If you know the exact name, keyword, or type of project, like a poster, website, or presentation, you can use a search bar to quickly locate it. Once you've found your project, click on it. Then it'll instantly appear onto your canvas. No more opening new tabs, just to copy and paste everything to your current design. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. You've successfully opened an existing project inside your current project in Canva in a quick and simple way. If you want more Canva tips, design hacks, and easy tutorials, hit like, leave a comment, and I'll share more helpful tricks with you. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.